All right, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a market overview on basically on the forex markets, and I'm going to be also be going over gold and what I'm expecting during this week. Basically, but yeah, I'm going to be starting over on DXY on Dixie, and firstly, we're going to be looking at the weekly chart. What I'm seeing is that we are reacting from this order block we have right here. We've seen that we have tested it 3 times in a row, and in those 3 times we have gotten a really strong, we have got a really strong reaction from it, right? Really strong bullish reaction. However, on the monthly, I've seen that we have closed the previous month on as a bearish candle, which could be an indication that we are going to feel these imbalances we have right here. But to be honest, I'm still bullish. I'm still gonna be bullish for DXY. We will see if we don't get to break this structure right here. We are just going to go downwards and feel that those imbalances we have there. On the 4 hour, what I've seen, I've refined this whole order block into this one, and we see that we have tapped into it perfectly. And now we are getting a reaction from this fair value gap, and I would like to see a continuation just straight away from here. I don't see the reason to fill this one. I just see the potential of, like I said, a continuation from this one. Going into Euro, on Euro, if we go to the weekly chart, what we can see is we have reacted from this big order block, right? This big order block has allowed the price to push downwards. Um, Going now into the daily, we've left this previous week low and this previous monthly low, which means that this is liquidity for us to take, and possibility that we will just continue to the downside. If we close on the daily, if we close, let's say over this zone, right? We close the daily, then we will have this fair value gap to fill, and probably like around Tuesday or even Wednesday, we will fill this up and then just continue to the downside. However, if we don't, I'm just expecting a continuation just from here, just because we are in this order block. But on the 4 hour, we can also see a 4 hour fair value gap. The reason why there's still possibility that we just push from here to the downside is because DXY. If we actually respect this fair value gap and we continue racing to the upside, the euro is just gonna follow DXY, and it's gonna simply just drop. Going into GU, on GU, we've been respecting this weekly order block as well. Um, just pretty much really similar price action to euro. We're now retesting on the daily. We will retest. No, was it on the 4 hour? Yeah, on the 4 hour we will probably retest this order block right here, and we've seen that we have reacted from this breaker block, right? And from here, I'm just expecting continuation to the downside. Oh, sorry, continuation to the downside, and from here as well, take on liquidity from there. This is a previous week low, right? And this is a previous monthly low, right? Um, but yeah, not much to say about Geo, just that same as Euro. If DXY decides to keep going upwards from this point, then Geo is just gonna also drop from here. Going into gold, what I have seen on gold is that we have really strong bullish price action. We are in all-time highs, and just pretty much, yeah, respecting structure, and we've seen high highs, high lows, and basically, was it on Friday? No, it was on Thursday. We filled this fair value gap that we have on the daily, right? And from there, we just took the daily high from Wednesday, and from now what I can see is that we could let me check on the was it, yeah, on the 4 hour a retest on this order block, because we're just gonna close above here and we could just expect retracement back here and a continuation to the upside. Going into GJ, I haven't traded GJ to be honest. I just just didn't like the price action overall. But what I can see is that we have broke structure right here, right? We broke structure, and we have these imbalances, right? We have these imbalances to be filled right here, and from there, would like to see a reaction or something from these levels. Where's the paint thing? Yeah, a reaction from these levels, not this one, here. A reaction from these levels and just continuation to the downside and to expect the whole trend to keep being bullish. Now switching to the news, right? If we check the news, uh, let me do this right. Wait, give me a second. Like this, yeah. On the news, I can see that. Where is it? Sorry, right here. On the news, we can see that today we have President Lagarde speaks basically a speech which could around 3 p.m. which could really make the price volatile. Then tomorrow it's a bank holiday on GPY, but yeah, same. You have speeches right here for GBP and Fed Chair Powell. Also a really strong new. And on Wednesday, basically CPY, three CPY news, as well as another Fed Chair. So basically, we have really strong news. On Wednesday, I would take if I would trade on Wednesday, maybe only London session, right? And on Thursday, we can see as well CPY, another CPY, unemployment claims, and PPY. And on Friday, just same red news, retail sales, and which will just basically indicate really strong volatility on the market. And yeah, that's for it for the market overview. There's not much to say, and that's it.